Onto the corridors of justice, former Kiambu Governor Ferdinard Waititu has on Monday taken plea to charges of use of abusive language in a public forum in Kiambu. Chief Magistrate Lucas Onyina ruled the offences levelled against him by the Director of Public Prosecution, Benson Mulele, were effectively drawn. Last week, his defense team was opposed to him taking plea on these charges, citing they were defective. Waititu is accused of using offensive words against the state at a rally in Ruiru, that's in Kiambu County. Details in the Scales of Justice segments.
According to the charge sheet, it is alleged that Waititu on September 29th at around 16 hours in Kiambu County at Ruiru Stadium used abusive words. Waititu is further accused of claiming that if the motion to impeach the deputy is debated and passed in Parliament, another seeking the removal of President William Ruto will be introduced. The matter will be mentioned on Wednesday for pre-trial.
The foregoing analysis of the particulars of offence the judge presented leaves no doubt that the charge before this court meets the requirements of Section 134 and Section 137 of the Criminal Procedure Code.
Elsewhere, Justice Professor Nixon Sifuna has declined to recuse himself in a case where an aviation firm is seeking compensation after its business operation were crippled after Stanbic Bank froze and reversed 9.2 billion that had been credited to its bank account in February 2016.
This application is a scheme calculated to not only attempt to intimidate, bully, or blackmail this court, but also one that is calculated to engineer an adjournment through the back door. This is certainly sharp practice and should be condemned for what it is.
The judge who directed the hearing to go on as planned was informed by a witness, Emmanuel Mosoti, a lead officer at a financial service company, that the nature of payment was in-house transfer from Juba and was not to go to a third party.
Just reflect that is a rule of the bank. You get instructions. Alternatively, if there is a problem, then if there's a problem with the money coming in, for example, they would be required to send it back to the remitter in the same day or within 2 hours of the next clearing day opening.
On its part, Stanbic Bank said there was no obligation, contractual or otherwise, requiring it to pay its own funds to settle a debt owed to the airline by a third party.
Did the plaintiff authorize this reversal?
We did not. And actually we put it in writing and instructed them not to.
Okay. Are you able to pinpoint that letter?
Yes, I am.
Please do.
Using payments.
Page
544.
Of the bundle?
Yes.
Let's go to this page 544.
So they're acknowledging payments for leasing the aircraft, which we made.
Who was acknowledging?
Uganda Air Cargo.
The hearing continues Tuesday. Ruth Wamboi for Prime Edition.